Welcome everyone to this video. I will show you how to fix this problem or these problems on your Netflix. Let's fix this easy and quick. So the first step, guys, just go directly and open your settings of your phone. Open now your apps option and search for Netflix. Click, and here you will find this list. Go to storage, click clear cache only and back. Click for stop in the corner of the screen, click OK. Come to battery, make it on optimized mode. Right now, guys, you have to turn on your airplane mode and turn off it after this. And right now, just come to Play Store or App Store, update your Netflix if the update is available. And right now, restart your phone, and that's all what you should do. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video in another tutorial.